Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we haven't done this video in a long time, but I thought I'd give you guys an updated video of the Scentbox versus Scentbird Showdown. So if you guys haven't heard of Scentbird and Scentbox, they are a perfume subscription company. And basically you get a small bottle of a perfume of your choice each month. They send it to you with a very cute carrying case or atomizer. The Scentbird and Scentbox perfumes are very convenient in that they're in travel-friendly size. You're not having to be super extra careful with like a big bottle of perfume. And guys, perfumes are expensive. So if you feel like you can't afford a full bottle of perfume all at once, you can have them in smaller quantities and you can enjoy your favorite designer perfumes. So a lot of these perfumes are designer. They are 100% authentic. So you might be wondering, well, what perfume company am I going to subscribe to? Two of the major ones lately that I've seen is the Scentbox and Scentbird. They are great gifting ideas, especially for the holidays. If you want to know what the difference is between Scentbird and Scentbox, then keep on watching. So I have a lot of details on the Scentbird and Scentbox perfumes on my other videos. If you need more details, I will link them up here in the cards or in the description box below. Today we're going to explore, I'm going to show you kind of on the website what the Scentbird and Scentbox website look like, what are their selection of perfumes, so all that stuff. So I'm really excited to show you guys that because I've never shown that to you guys before. Scentbird perfumes come in these little tubes like this. Inside is the perfume bottle. It has the name, and you're supposed to attach this perfume bottle into their atomizer. Now, I don't have the atomizer with me, the new one, but I do have an Instagram reel about it. So I'll put it right here if I can find it. If not, definitely check my Instagram, Terrafil's Corner. But the older atomizers used to be very similar to Scentbox. And this is the classic white one. This is the classic one that you get when you subscribe to the company. And there's the atomizer right there. Scentbox, however, very similar. Yeah, they're about the same height, guys. And then there's your atomizer and your perfume bottle inside. So let's start with just the basics of Scentbird and Scentbox. So with Scentbird, guys, you get 50% off your first month's subscription. So instead of $16.95, you get it for $8.47. So not a bad deal. So for every month, you get an 8 ml bottle of the perfume of your choice. Also have the ability to go into the queue and select the different perfumes that you like for the upcoming months. So you can set up a whole year's worth of your perfume and go from there. Also, you have the ability to set your profile. What kind of scents do you gravitate towards? Woodsy, floral, beachy, fresh, like all of that stuff. You can customize it and then just pick whatever perfume that they have available. With Scentbird, they're guaranteeing 120 sprays for that 30-month period. For the first month, you get their atomizer. So it comes with, not this one, but their actual carrying case that holds the perfume bottle. You can cancel anytime. You can pause it for a few months. It's all up to you. Now with Scentbox, you also get a 30-day supply, 8 ml with 4 sprays a day for a good 30 days. So that's their guarantee. You can expect up to 850 perfumes in their inventory, but that is if you have the Prime membership, which is around $20. There are some perfumes that are included in the more expensive monthly rate versus the standard rate. So you just have to be on the lookout for that. But even then, the selection, I believe, is around like 650 perfumes, somewhere around there. So it's a good selection. It's going to keep you really stocked. And yes, you can also order the same perfume that you like each month or every other month. The main difference between Scentbird and Scentbox is that Scentbox gives you an atomizer each month, a different colored atomizer. That's why I have so many of them. So I have a lot of the Scentbox perfume atomizers because they give you a different color each month. Each month has a theme to it, and yeah, I think I have all the colors. And all of these Scentbird Scentbox perfumes have been given to me for free by Scentbox and Scentbird because I do have a referral link that many of you guys have trusted and supported me in. So thank you so much for using my referral code. I will leave them again in the description box below in case you're interested, and it will definitely help me out with, you know, sustaining these videos and also my perfume collection. So if you trust that, please use my link. If not, you can definitely go straight to the Scentbird and Scentbox website. I love that they have so many different colored atomizers. It just keeps me excited each month when I get them. But Scentbird doesn't do that. You get one atomizer for the whole membership. If you do want different colored atomizer, they do have it available, but you would have to pay for it. The good side of that is that it's friendly to the environment. That's what I've heard my subscribers have said, not having too much waste. And I totally get that, because when I'm done with a certain perfume, I'm no longer able to use that same atomizer, only because with Scentbox, they glue the name of the perfume here. So if I put a different perfume bottle inside, if it's totally different, then I can't use it anymore. So oh, it smells so good, guys. You know what? I need a perfume. The only downside with having one atomizer for different types of perfume is that the scents may transfer. So having a dedicated atomizer for each perfume bottle seems to be better. That way different scents are not gonna transfer. With Scentbox, your first month isn't 50% off. It is $9.72 for your first subscription of the month. And then after that, it's $16.95, which is still similar to Scentbird. There's also free exchanges and free shipping, guys. So yeah, you don't have to worry. If you get a perfume and you smell it and you're like, oh, I don't think I like it, you can definitely return it, exchange it for another perfume. I think you only get at least 2 or 3 exchanges for the whole year though. So yeah, there is a limit to it, but at least you have that option for Scentbox. Also guys, Scentbird and Scentbox are not just perfumes. They also carry other skincare items, skincare products, bath products. If you are interested about those other products, so instead of getting a perfume, let's say you're all stocked up with your perfume and you want to try something else like candles, bath products, shower gels, all that stuff, bubble bombs or bath bombs, you can definitely change it up for that month. But if you are interested on that and kind of see what types of non-perfume products are available for each brand, definitely check out this video right here. I have all the details for you on that. Okay, so with that said, I just kind of wanted to do a walkthrough of Scentbird and Scentbox and kind of give you what their website looks like and what sorts of perfumes that are we able to choose from. So let's get on to it. So we're starting with the Scentbox website. This is kind of the home page that you see when you first log in. I'm already in my account. Looks like the monthly supply of fragrance is $9.72, and that's only for your first month. After that, it goes back up to the regular price. So this is what the queue looks like. You have a whole calendar year to fill out and choose the perfumes that you want for each month. If you don't choose a perfume for that month, Scentbox is going to pick out a perfume for you based on your profile. So on the left side of the screen, you have all the available brands that are available to you. Then depending on each brand, you'll get a couple of perfumes available that is curated by that brand, both for men, women, and unisex. So as you can see, there's tons of different brands in their inventory. However, depending on the type of perfume, there are some perfumes that are labeled with a P, which is premium brand, and that means that in order to avail the premium brand, you need to have the premium membership. I noticed here, and I feel like this is new to me, there are some perfumes that are labeled as platinum, and you need to have the platinum membership in order to put these types of perfumes in the queue. Another feature on the website is that you're able to filter the list of perfumes by their notes or fragrance type. So there's jasmine, lavender, lily, magnolia. So if you like woodsy scents, they have all sorts of scent profiles from fruity to woodsy to fresh to sweet. Everything's available. So this is just an example of a perfume by Coach. As you can see, there's all the scent characteristics at the bottom, and also whether it's like a sporty scent, a fresh scent. Some scents can be categorized by season, so there's all sorts of ways for you to find your custom scent. So here's an example of me filtering by scent notes, and in this case I picked apple, so you're going to get all the perfumes that have a base note of apple. One of my favorite scents is by Salvatore Ferragamo, sorry. So as you can see, if I type in the brand name, it lists all of the perfumes under that brand. This is one of my all-time favorite perfumes, the Encanto Charms by Salvatore Ferragamo, and as you can see, it's a modern, floral, summer or youthful scent. Also guys, I just want to quickly touch on the Bath & Body Home Fragrance and Wellness Products by Scentbox. Going into the Scentbird website, I noticed some distinct differences compared to Scentbox. Scentbird has select fragrances that are pretty much perfumes that are super expensive, and in order to add them to the queue, you would have to pay an additional $10 each month to be able to try them out. A good example is this Sicily brand, which in the skincare world, they're like $500 to $1,000 skincare products. So I can only imagine how much their perfumes would cost. So just like Scentbox, Scentbird allows you to browse perfumes by scent type, occasion, personality, season, or fragrance family. Another distinct difference between Scentbox and Scentbird is that Scentbird has a 3-bottle per month, 2-bottle per month, or 1-bottle per month subscription options. The more bottles you order each month, the lesser the price per 8 ml bottle. So this is what my queue or fragrance queue looks like. You can add fragrances for a 12-month period. You can rearrange them. But if you don't have a fragrance selected for that month, you will receive the scent of the month from Scentbird. Also guys, unlike Scentbox where you get a new atomizer each month for the same price per month, With Scentbird, you have to pay an additional $10 if you want a new color carrying case. And lastly guys, here's a rundown of all the brands that are available in Scentbird's inventory. That is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. If you guys have any questions about Scentbird and Scentbox, please comment it down below. If not, check out all the other videos that I have here. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!